In this video, we want to find the integral of x all over square root of x minus 8 dx. We're going to solve this using a substitution method, and we're going to let u equal x minus 8. So that means that du is dx. And if I was to substitute the top, so if I want to rewrite x on the top in terms of u, so I can just add 8 to both sides here and get that x is equal to u plus 8. So the top gets replaced by u plus 8, and the dx gets replaced du, and the bottom is square root of u. Now we can break this up into two fractions. The first one being u over the square root of u, the second one being 8 over the square root of u. U over the square root of u is just the square root of u, and then we have plus 8u to the negative 1/2 power. Now we can just use the power rule and integrate each term. U to the 1/2 turns into 2/3 u to the 3/2, and then 8u to negative 1/2 is 16u to the 1/2 plus a constant c. We said u was x minus 8, so we can replace u with x minus 8 to get to this. And if you want, you can factor out a common term. 2/3 and 16 has a factor of 2. And then x minus 8 to the 3/2 and x minus 8 to the 1/2. You look at the one that has a smaller exponent, which is x minus 8 to the 1/2 power. Factor that out. We're left with 1/3 times the quantity x minus 8 plus 8. You can get a common denominator of 3. Add these up. You have x plus 16 over 3 in the inside. And then the 3 can come outside to get 2/3 times the square root of x minus 8 times the quantity x plus 16 plus a constant c. And that's our final answer.